Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are about to unravel a mind-blowing Excel trick that will level up your data game. It is all about Autosum in multiple sheets. If you have ever felt like a detective trying to crack the code of scattered data, this is part you need to become a true data wizard. Let's say you have got a massive Excel workbook with data splattered across the multiple sheet, okay, or whatever it is, okay, it is all over the place. Well, you are not alone. That is where our super Autosum in multiple sheet comes in to save the day. Okay, before we dive into the step, make sure you have got your Excel open. If you are not familiar with Autosum, it is like having a calculator that is built right into Excel. But today we are transforming it into something even more magical. As we all know, the regular Autosum is a neat tool. Just click, okay, just click a button, bam, it is added up number for you. But what if your number are scattered across different sheets? Then that is when the challenge gets real. Now imagine summing data from different sheet into one single sheet. Okay, now first thing to do is to first pick the cell where you want the the answer to be. Let's say I want the answers to be right up here. Okay, I'm going to pick this cell, which is cell F3. Then I'm going to now place equal to sign. Okay, then I'm going to hop to the first sheet. Then let's say I want this number to be added up. I'm going to hold on to my control function, then click on it. Okay, I want to add the function. I want to use the some function right here. So I'm going to put positive sign right here. Then click on the next cell, but don't click on the enter button yet. So until you are done with what you want to add. Okay, I'm going to click on the positive sign, then over to the next sheet right here. So I'm going to hover to the next sheet right here. I want this number to be added, so I'm going to hold on to my control function, then click on it. So I'm going to put on positive sign right here. I want this sheet to be added likewise. So I'm going to hold on to my control shift and put on what, click on it. I'm going to put positive sign again. I want this sheet to be also be added. So and so on and so forth. I'm going to hold on to what, my control function, then click on it. Then so after you must have done everything, once you have captured all the cell you need, then you can now hit on what, enter button. Wow, you can see right here that it has been added up, which is what, 4,170. That is all the number that have picked in together. So it has been added up to what, 4,178. Okay, that is it. Behold, you have formula transformed into data, pulling numbers from various sheets. No more manual calculations. You are a data maestro now. But hey, the magic doesn't stop there. Imagine you insert or remove a row, and the formula will also adjust itself. Okay, it is a smart assistant that evolves with what you need. Okay, for those seeking the express route to wizard the function right here, so you can just hold on to your control and click on whatever you want. Just hold on to your control and click whatever you want. That will enable you to capture all the Autosum spread that is visual. Then it will save a lot of time in what you are doing. And here you have it. No more daunting data puzzle. You are armed with a magic spell that will make you the hero of data analysis. So go forth, crunch the number effortlessly and spreadsheet your way to success. Until next time, bye for now and stay blessed.